Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holders? What's going on this time? You can see here, my friend, the Hedera Hashgraph price will pumps up, increasing 2.77%. It is not a short pump, my friend. It's really huge pump, and definitely when a holder are starting holding, when a holder are starting investing, then the price is increasing. And 0.4 USD dollar is the highest price, and also, my friend, 0.40 USD dollar. The both prices is the same, not in a big difference, my friend, in the both prices. So that's mean to the current price is also like a highest price. Absolutely, that's mean, my friends, to Hedera Hashgraph is on the profit. But for that, we will need, my friends, to predicate this coin. So as you can see, my friends, this coin is completely moving in this circulation to after a dump they will fails down, and after a dump again they will pumps up. So this, therefore, I will tell you, my friends, to every coin will moving in this circulation. So try to understand holders if they were fails down like that. So some holders are starting doing huge mistake, so they are starting selling. So kindly you will need to hold on. Don't see this short phase. If you invest for a long time, then why you are watching, my friends, this short term? Absolutely you will need to hold and wait for the end of this month. I am 100% sure, my friends, to at the end of month they will give you a very huge profit. They will easily hit now, my friends, 0.5 USD dollar. So kindly holders, please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you want to more this type urgent and updates videos, subscribe this channel.